Hello, everyone. Welcome back to part 3 of our podcast.
We're glad you are still with us.
In this part, we will talk about friendship, communication, and learning from life.
These topics are very close to daily life.
Marie, friendship is very important.
Yes, good friends make life easier.
What do you like most about friendship?
Trust and honesty.
Those are strong values.
Without trust, friendship feels empty.
I agree.
Friendship is not about talking all the time.
Sometimes silence is enough.
Yes, being comfortable together matters.
Friends support us in hard times.
And celebrate with us in good times.
True friendship is balanced.
It feels safe.
Communication is part of everything we do.
Yes, at home, at work, everywhere.
Many problems come from poor communication,
People do not say what they feel.
or they do not listen properly.
Listening is very important.
More important than speaking sometimes.
When we listen, people feel respected.
That builds understanding,
Simple words are better than complex words.
especially in daily conversation.
Clear words reduce confusion.
Dear listeners, keep your English simple.
Simple English is powerful.
Short sentences are easier to understand.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Do not rush.
Confidence grows with practice.
Mr. B, everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, it is part of being human.
Some people feel ashamed of mistakes,
That is common.
but mistakes teach us lessons.
Every mistake carries a message.
We learn what not to do next time.
Exactly.
Mistakes help us grow,
Growth comes from experience.
and experience comes from trying.
Well said.
Life teaches us every day,
Even simple moments teach lessons.
like waiting patiently.
Or helping someone.
Small actions matter.
Daily life is the best teacher.
We learn from people around us.
And from our own feelings.
Reflection is important.
Yes, thinking calmly helps us learn.
Marie, confidence is important in life.
Yes, but confidence grows slowly.
It grows when we accept ourselves.
And when we stop comparing.
Comparison creates stress.
Everyone has a different journey.
Focus on your own path.
Small steps are enough.
Progress is progress.
No matter how slow.
Let us practice a few sentences again.
Listen and repeat later.
I trust my friends.
I try to communicate clearly.
I learn from my mistakes.
I am improving every day.
These lines help build confidence.
Use them in daily life.
Sometimes negative thoughts appear.
Yes, that happens to everyone.
We should not fight them too hard.
Just notice them and let them pass.
Staying present helps.
Breathing slowly helps too.
Calm mind, better decisions.
Very true.
Friends, this was part 3 of our podcast.
We talked about friendship, communication, and learning.
Remember, mistakes are teachers.
And simple words are enough.
In the next part, we will talk about hopes, dreams, motivation, and a calm ending.
Thank you for listening.
See you in part 4.
Take care and stay positive.